Okay, so here's the deal. So we're in the middle of running the course for the Mud Run, which is on Saturday at Diamond Lake. And Chad has decided, in the middle of us doing this, he wants to race Brian in the truck. So let's count them down. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look at him go. Chad has an early lead. Oh my gosh, he really may win. Or is Brian just letting him win? And Chad! Woo! Man versus machine. Man wins.